Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can change the interface language in your Google Chrome web browser, be it on your PC or a laptop. For instance, if English is not your mother tongue or native language and you would like to change the interface language to your language. So let me show you really quickly how to do that. Drop a like and now let us get started. So launch your Google Chrome web browser, and basically all you need to do is access your browser settings. To do that, click on these three dots here in the top right corner on your home screen and select settings here at the bottom. This is going to take you to your browser settings. So what you want to do, guys, is take a look at that panel here to the left and head over to the languages section. Here at the top, you will see the list of your preferred language. You can set several preferred languages, not only one. So to do that, simply click on Add Languages here to the right. Browse through that list of supported languages and pick the one you would like to use. After that, the given language will be added to your list of preferred languages. So if you'd like to make the given language your main language here on Google Chrome or your interface language, all you need to do is click on these three dots here to the right, more options, and make sure that this option here, display Chrome in this language, is selected. After that, Google Chrome will ask you to relaunch Google Chrome so that these changes may be applied and saved. So simply click on relaunch here, and that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.